Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm sorry I haven't been playing this at all. I just had a lot of school, and I'm on the week. It's the weekend, so I'm off. Today I'm gonna make another video right after this is done uploading. Yes, so go check that out. Who looks my new profile picture? Yeah, it's 3 memes. I think it's 9cat, a guy, I don't know, and that boy meme. I feel like I'm guys, new update coming. I don't know, maybe next week, this week, maybe on Sunday. But new update, 3 new vehicles, and I don't know what's gonna be the rest. So it's gonna be a Ferrari, a Mustang, this is official. Okay, no. Here, new car 2. Here's 2 new car number 2 coming soon to jailbreak as old Chevy Mustang. Working on one more new car for our next update. Next vehicle won't be anything exotic to those guessing. I don't know. Jailbreak will have a Ferrari in the next update, working on another vehicle that'll be cheaper. Starts with an M. That's the Mustang. How much money do you have in jailbreak? It's more percent gonna be this. Oh, there we go. I still don't have a Bugatti. I should. I don't want to be noob with the Lambo. But I'm gonna start saving up for the. Hopefully, I can get one of the other vehicles. Hopefully, I can find one of the other vehicles. Well, as soon as the update happens, I'll probably make a video, even if it's on school. Man. I might make a music video coming up. A funny music video. I have every single vehicle in the whole game except for God. Do 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 do. But what about that place that was just there? And I was just there. Freaking stupid Lambo. Oh yeah, I like my new avatar. Got some chocolate. That's too good. When you least expect it. Yeah! Break! My dad's fucking. Yeah. I'm gonna do a video on Bloxburg. Go away, stupid. Oh, it's just so slow. So freaking slow. I would have been playing with Finn today, but he's at somebody's house sleeping over. No. I don't know if you can hear my vehicle or anything that's happening. Yeah, frick you. Hey, my vehicle's still here. Yay. YOLO. What the frick? YOLO? Wait, I thought mine said yeet. Is this someone else's? I can't remember. Alright. There we go, someone else's. YOLO. YOLO. Oh yeah, another thing I was looking at, dang it, this guy. I will find it. It's taking so long. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, what did I just do? Oh my god. Frick. Shit. Alright. Yes. This is it. Okay. This is the things that they put in. Traffic light, car robbing, cop robbing. Yep. And this is the most popular train robbing exercise, workout in the yard to increase healing rate. Rope from heli, I think that would be cool. Choose spawn location. Yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, I would like this. Spike, no. Racing tournaments? I don't know. Trading tips. I don't know. Grappling hook. Skydiving, definitely. Nukes, no. What's this? Minute killers. Radio play. Yeah, I have radio. Car how far recording. Player points. So that's basically it. The heck? How the frick did I get down here? Yeah, right. We need to abandon this. I wonder if you guys had dog barking in that background. That beeping noise in the background. What's that? Whoever it is. The police. The police officer. It's a police officer that has no idea. Oh my god! The frick! Eject! Heh. I'm already paying attention to these robberies. Bank right there. Aye! Oh! Aye. Okay, just. Somebody failed. Yeah. Ah! Honey, and you need to give it back. This guy has music off on if you don't know. Yeah. I need to go too. I love nuts. Twerk it. Ay ay ay. Here's a random. You still got my favorite hoodie and you need to give it back. Well guys, 1 more minute till the video ends. What is this guy doing? Okay. So, yeah, I almost forgot about this. Still got my favorite hoodie and you need to give it back. How are you? Before I know, wait. A girl I love. I just want to say, skin. I love you. Here's a random fact. You still got my favorite hoodie and you need to give it back. Yeet. Bye, guys. Oh, welp. Bye, guys. Welp. Bye. Bye.